Good morning, YouTube. It's Jason with Awesome RT. And yesterday I did an unboxing video on my Pedal Commander replacement. If you want to check out that video, if you're thinking about buying one, by all means check that out. I am at work, getting ready to go in to work, and I think before I do that, just because it's killing me not having it, I'm gonna go ahead and do the install video. So this will be a short one too. It's very easy to install, so let's get to it. Guys, excuse the excessively dirty interior, but what you're gonna do is come up under here. First, I would say route your cables wherever you want them to be. So I would get your Pedal Commander in place, make sure that it'll reach the pedals, because this is where it's gonna have to go. And then from there, what you're gonna do is come up under your gas pedal here. There's this little push bolt. Pull it down. And I just move this whole thing, get it out of my way. And then right up here, kind of hard to see, but there's a little clip that it's attached to your gas pedal. You're gonna unplug that and plug in the Pedal Commander to the pedal. And then that cable that you unplug is gonna go into the other port. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the camera off, because one-handed it's not gonna work. So that's done. Still don't think we'll be able to see. Do I got a flash? There we go. All right, so as you can see now, I've got the cable this is the stock plug. It's now plugged into the Pedal Commander. And then the Pedal Commander's other plug is here. Get your little red locking pin, just lock it down. And then you're just gonna tuck it back up in there. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Get up in there. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now what I've done is I've ran it up through here, and then I actually take the Pedal Commander and I route it through this part here, and then I have got this is one of them Scosche Magic Mount things with the little metal plate, and I just put it right there, and that's where I keep the Pedal Commander. It's right there, so it's easy to hit, So I'm gonna get all this tidied up real quick, and then I'll show you finished product. All right, guys, so this is the finished install of the Pedal Commander. So I thought that maybe this would bother my leg, but it doesn't. It's there now. Do I like the wire sticking out that far? Not really. I might tuck it back in, but you don't want to put too much tension on this little spot here. So that's what happened to mine. Is this cable started pulling out, which is just a covering so you can push it back in, but this piece here, it started splitting, like coming in half, I guess, just on this side. And I guess I don't know if it was too much tension on this or whatnot, but that was before. I didn't have it here the whole time. I was just kind of tucking it up under here and moving it around, and I guess just too much moving around, so that's why I ended up mounting it. But overall, that's what what it looks like installed. When you're driving, it's real easy to reach up and hit your buttons. Yeah, and while I was at it, I went on ahead and routed my cable for my phone through the dash and through this thing, which didn't quite go as I wanted to. That's a really thick cable. I probably should get a smaller one, but anyway, this piece is a little lifted, but not too bad, so it's doable. But just in case everybody has not had one of these before, like I said, on the unboxing, you got Eco, City, Sport, Sport Plus, and then each one of those has a +4 and a -4 setting. So, all you do is, when you're parked, not when you're driving. Like I said, whenever I was driving and I tried to do it, I threw codes when I was doing it through Bluetooth, but I had done it from the box when I was driving before, never had any problems. But the people from Pedal Commander did say to always do this when you're stopped, not necessarily in park, but at a stoplight, just pop it real quick and change it, for your settings or whatnot. So all you do is the nice little star button here, select your mode, So in this case, city right now. And like I was saying, you can go all the way up to +4, which it'll be green. And then you can also go down to all the way down to -4, and it's red whenever it's in the negatives. Sport, same thing. Sport Plus, also same thing. And you push it again, it goes back to off. And that's just stock. To get to Eco, you have to push the button and hold. But let's be honest, who wants to use Eco mode? I mean, I don't know, maybe for like a road trip or something, maybe to get some good gas mileage, but yeah, no, I don't think I'd ever use that, because it's even more sluggish than, it's just for fun. If you buy one of these, put it in Eco and go down to -4 and drive around. It is comical, to say the least. But you know, push it again, it goes back to off, and I will go back to my daily Sport +2. But that's it. That's the install. No codes or anything. When I got it running again. Throttle response is back to normal. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, back to normal. But yeah. So if you guys have any questions on the Pedal Commander, hit me up in comments. Let me know. Would really appreciate a subscribe, like, share. You know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work. You guys have a good day. Enjoy your Mopars.